Good morning, students. On Friday, we have started our new chapter that was test and measurement in sports. Again, a quick recap of what we have done right. What is a test? A test is a tool to measure and evaluate your skill or your capacity, what you have learned, you are capable of doing. A test is a tool to measure to evaluate your skill and capacity. Now, there are few test items which we will be doing in this chapter. They are generally made for the general fitness. They are generally made for measuring of fitness. As it is, we are dealing with physical education. The first test we have done was AFA. You might be knowing what is AFA, American Alliance for Physical Education and Equipment. But later on, it was modified and he was also added for it. So it that AAPERD, American Alliance for Health Education, American Alliance for Health, Physical Education, and Nutrition and Dance. This is a test that we will be dealing in this your practicals class. What practicals? There are few test items that they have told you. One of the first test item. Test item. Test. For what we have done 50-meter or 50-yard test. We have done it for measuring what is speed to cover the maximum distance in minimum time. Competitor single individual also is allowed to run on a track of 50 meters and the time is limited to minutes and seconds. After that came 600 meter yard run on road. For what it is an endurance. Endurance activity of the body. Continue to the condition of fatigue or tiredness. How much you are tired and then also you are doing your work that is known as endurance. It was a modified word of stamina and endurance. After that came partial color, where you were supposed to rise and rise on medium of that bed can be used to color. For what it was a test for what we are doing test that is for measuring the strength and endurance of the abdomen. Then take push-ups. For what we were doing push-ups for measuring your strength of the shoulder and upper body. What is strength ability of the body? The resistance. And in 4 into 10 meter shuttle run. For what we were doing shuttle run to measure the agility. And one more test was that standing or jump. Because like in long jump, you are coming. It is same like long jump, but here you are not coming. You are not running and jumping. Here only you are just standing on. You are standing you are stable, and then you are taking a jump. That is known as standing rope. Okay, for what it is done, measure the stable of the extremity legs. Now,
Sir,
yes.
there is disturbance from your part, sir.
Disturbance.
Yes, sir.
I am not clear.
Yes, sir. Not clear, sir.
Okay, once again I will tell you. We have done that the upper test. Now today we will be dealing with Harvard step test. Harvard step. This is a test done to measure the cardiovascular endurance, cardiovascular fitness of an athlete. What is cardiovascular fitness? It is the ability of the heart and lungs to supply oxygen-rich blood to the working muscles to do so that they are able to continue doing their work and produce energy. That is known as cardiovascular fitness. Harvard step test. Cardiovascular. What is cardiovascular fitness? Ability of the heart, lungs to supply oxygen-rich blood to the working muscles to give them energy so that they are able to continue the work. That's cardiovascular fitness. What do we require in this? We require stopwatch and one pulse. Generally, it is more than this is 20 time. for women, for men, 20 inch in height for men. On the word command go, you have to step up and down, and this test is done for 5 minutes continuously, or the point where you reach your exhaust point, then you are not able to continue. That is your exhaust point. Exhaustion when you reach when you are totally exhausted at that point, or for 5 minutes, you have to step up and down the box. Okay, this 20 is for 20 is box for men. Later on it was modified to women also, and it was made for 18 inch. But for men it is 20 inch. Now after doing this for 5 minutes, now what you have to do, you have to measure your heartbeat. After coming down, after taking rest from the you have to measure the heartbeat for one point 1.5 minutes. That means 1 minute 30 seconds. Understood? After coming down the rest, take rest for 1 minute. After that, measure the heartbeat from 1 minute till 1 minute 30 seconds. Again, give 30 seconds rest. Again, measure the heartbeat from minute till minute. Now again 30 seconds rest. After that, 3 minutes and 3 minutes 30 seconds. When completed your test for 5 minutes, or you are the point where you will be exhausted. After that, you take till 1 minute. After that, measure your heart rate for till 1 minute 30 seconds. 2 minutes till 2 minutes 30 seconds. 30 seconds. 3 minutes till 3 minutes till 30 seconds. Then you will in total take the sum of all these heartbeats. All these heartbeats. The formula for measuring the cardiovascular fitness. That is duration of exercise in seconds into 2 into sum of the heart or the three pulses of the three heartbeats in rest in the recovery period that we have measured. That will be the formula to measure the physical efficiency index for Harvard step or Harvard step test. This is the duration of exercise into 100 or 2 into sum of three pulses, sum of three pulses. That will be the formula for measuring the physical efficiency index, that is PEI, physical efficiency index for Harvard step test. And that test was later on modified for women, and that test was later modified for women. In this, the height of the box for the platform reduced to 18 inches, and you were suppose like you were doing one up and one down, one up and one down. That means you were doing 30 seconds per minute, 30 seconds per minute. Understood? One up, one down, up, down, up, down. That means for 60 seconds you have done 30 times, but for women it was modified to 24 sets per minute. These are the some criteria for doing Harvard step test. After that comes mile open test. What is it is against to measure your endurance only. Rockford fitness walking test. The equipment required for this test includes a Simple because you have to walk a mile, you will be requiring a 400 meter on level and a stopwatch and a break speed. Before a heart rate monitor can monitor the test should be conducted in non-windy weather. Because for example, if you are running on walking, if you get the support of the air, you will be having less time compared to what you take. Or if you have the air resistance against you, taking more time than what you are supposed to take. The starting point is marked and the individual has to run to the track to cover a distance of 1 mile. 1 mile equals to 1609 meters. After that, once you complete your rounds, your particular distance, your time is good. And VO2 max is calculated by this formula. Then learn this formula. What is VO2 maximum? Maximum volume of oxygen. What minus 0.79. Okay, the weight is measured in pounds. Weight for gender, the male will be represented in 1 equals to female. After that, time is expressed in meters and per hundredths of a second, and heart rate is measured in beats per minute, and age will be in years. So this is the formula to calculate. This is the formula to calculate maximum for rock road 1 mile of not 1 mile. You have to know 1 mile. Measuring the VO2 max minus 0.0769 into weight. The weight will be taken in pounds. After that, 0.387 Okay, the age will be what you are having the age. After that, plus 6.315 into gender. Or gender is, if it is male, we will be writing 1. If it is female, we will be writing 0. Minus 3.269 and minus 1.63 in heart rate. Heart rate will be total number of beats per minute. That will be heart rate. So these are the two tests for measuring the fitness of an individual. First was hardest step test. What we are measuring in that? We are measuring cardiovascular fitness of an individual. Cardiovascular fitness, ability of the heart and lungs to supply oxygen to give them energy. That is your cardiovascular endurance. Generally, we generally say, okay, today we have done cardio exercise. Exercise for the heart and cardio exercise. Those who are doing this in the they might know that they get cardio, they get boosted, they get particular for cardiovascular fitness for test was for that is known as hardest step test. After that came this was or walk 1 mile. The time will be taken, the gender will be seen. It will be either a hard rate. You will after completing 1 mile that is 1609 meters. At time will be recorded, your heart rate will be. And after see all these tests are there, but generally all these tests is there and it is time and the table is there according to which your fitness will be measured. It I will tell you like suppose for a heart step it was after calculation your PEI value is coming greater than 96, that means it is excellent. That means you totally fit. 90 to 96 work, it is very good for you. And it is coming less than 90, it is good. It is coming less than 80, it is okay. After that, it is coming less than 50, it is poor. There are some standards made by particular physical experts, which are there for measure the physical efficiency index. That is cost test and log test is also there are some indexes or some tables. And according to and the table I like for like in class we have done BMI. What is BMI? Body mass index. How we take how we will taking over the BMI weight upon height in meters square. Okay, suppose 180 meters over there, that is 60 180 meters 180 square. Weight upon 8 into 48. But if it is coming less than 20 to 25, you were it was excellent for you. 24.9 that you were for it. Less than 20, 19.9 something like that you were under it. Some standards are made for that, and some standards are made and going to see you run that table. What will you can tell whether you are in excellent, in good group, very good, or you are just in a poor group. That table I like to look at in the next. You are you also do your course you were having for after that game fit motor fitness test. That was very good. But this year in the syllabus the test after that came hardware step test. After now test. Now one test is remaining that is clean juice. That is exclusively for senior citizens years of age. Like they can't senior citizens they can't they will not be able to other implementation like what we are seeing in AFAR. They will not be able to do support steps in AFAR or like hard step they will not be able to move up and down the box. First for them clean juice they have made as but test for that. That is known as clean juice test there are also few test items in that. That is on next class will be giving. However, then our next class will be giving the clean juice fitness test. If you have any doubt, you will be able to. Thank you very much.